right, NDA stakes claim to form the government. NDA MPs meet President Draupadi Murmu and stake the claim to form the next government at the centre. Confident NDA now ready to stake claim to form the government, and that's the reason why they're meeting the President Aishwarya. Aishwarya, I was asking you about the fact that the NDA is confident now, staking claim to meet the next government at this centre and the meeting with the President. What more details do you have with you right now?
Well, Sneha. Yes, Sneha, well, let me tell you, the numbers obviously are stacked with the NDA. The Bharatiya Janata Party is the single largest party with the largest number, 240, as compared to all the other parties. And when we combine the number of the total NDA, it's 293, way above the mark that they needed. The mark that was needed was 272. So more than that, they are very, very confident, and that's the reason why we are seeing that all of them have now visited the President, giving her, the letter and saying that we are now ready to form the government, and is taking claim at the formation of the government. And before that, in fact, they had said that they now make sure that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, all the leaders made sure that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who takes oath for the third time. On the 9th of June, 6 p.m. is when the oath-taking ceremony will take place, and they are very, very confident. The Prime Minister has set the pace for the next 5 years, saying that the development work that we have seen over the past decade will continue, and we will add more to it. We'll work hard for the people of the country.
That's right. We work hard for the people of the country in this meeting. Today, in fact, in his speech, Aishwarya, what was significant is that he spoke about NDA, the strength of the NDA, and that it has gone from strength to strength in the past as well. It's been a successful alliance, is what the Prime Minister repeatedly reiterated on, isn't it?
Well, definitely, he did talk about the fact that they have been together for many, many years. I mean, if we speak about someone like Chandrababu Naidu, he's seen all the eras of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's also seen what L.K. Advani's time used to be, what Atal Bihari Vajpayee's time used to be. He's been associated with the BJP since the year 1998, and he only left the NDA in 2018 when he said that what he wanted was the special status for the state. That was not being given by the BJP, even though he claims it was promised by the party. That's when he moved away from the NDA. Chandrababu Naidu also this time from day one saying that this is a pre-poll alliance. We will be sticking with the BJP. Prime Minister making sure that he flipped through history pages, spoke about what India was and where India is. And one of the themes that Sneha, the government will work on is to make sure that Indian economy becomes the third largest economy in the next 5 years.